What happens if I dip my finger and punch it into the mixture? Hi, this is Rainah's Escat, and this is my grade 9 quarter 4 SCI-BILIB experiments number 1, Indestructible fluid. Here are the materials: water, cornstarch, mixing bowl, and stirrer. Procedure: in a mixing bowl, pour 5 cups of cornstarch. Add 2 cups of water and stir. Punch the mixture. Dip your index finger slowly. This is called oobleck. What is oobleck? Oobleck is a suspension of cornstarch and water. By definition of suspension, it is a heterogeneous mixture, meaning it is mixed but not dissolved. This experiment explains the non-Newtonian mechanics, which states that oobleck has properties of both liquids and solids. Materials that behave this way have flow properties that are not described by a constant viscosity. Viscosity is a property of liquid that tells us how a fluid flows. In particular, honey is more viscous than water. The viscosity of an oobleck changes depending on the stress or force applied to it. So what happened when I dipped my finger and punched it into the mixture? When I dipped my finger slowly, the grains would repel and slide past each other like a fluid. But when I punched it, I did something too fast. I overcame that repulsion. The particles will touch, there will be friction, and it will act as a solid. Once again, this is Rainah si Escat. Thank you for watching!